This eerie video comes from Critter3791, I'll tag it below. And after hearing strange noises in the sky outside of her home in Dallas, she begins to record what sounds like trumpets. Now oftentimes, when these noises are heard in the sky, they're related to skyquakes, or from the 7 trumpets from the book of Revelations. But it should be noted that she doesn't live near any train tracks. Now I'll play part of that clip, but let me know what you think.
Holy shit, what the hell is that? Did y'all hear that? Did y'all see that? Look at that camera. What is that noise? No, stop recording. But if it's coming from the sky, then you know it's coming from God. So there's really nothing to be scared of.
Now I know what you may be thinking, that this easily could be explained, but it should be noted that this was posted just before the hurricane that ravaged the southeast. But then I found an image that was circulating on Facebook that chilled me to my core. And make sure you pay attention to the center of the storm,